Okay, well here it comes. The rain has just started. And the drops are big. It's gone very cold very quickly. The rain has now started to come down. It is absolutely tipping it down. We're off out in a bit. Hopefully it won't last too long and everywhere doesn't get flooded. Anyway, I thought I'd just share that with you. Just to let you know that it's not all sunshine and hot weather here. I'm actually feeling quite cold at the moment. Bit of wind blowing and the rain tipping down. It comes all the way up to here. That's pretty much where it stops though. Put an extra cover out the front, extend it out, just when the wind blows this way, everywhere gets soaking wet, as you can see. And that means I can't sit out there, and that ain't no good, because I like to sit outside when it's raining. There's no one in the temple now. The temple is totally empty. That was quite a lot of hustle and bustle in there earlier. No, nothing. Anyway, I'm going to carry on. I'm going to lift a few weights because I can't do anything else. Got my towel already set up. So, okay, let's do about, I don't know, let's say, what, about 40-45 minutes. Cheers, guys. See you later. Oh, just before I lift the weights, I will just show you what's happening out the back here. It is, yeah, really coming down. You see the old boys' workshop at the back. The drainage can hardly cope with all the water coming out of there. It's literally like someone's loaded as well. It's literally like someone's turned the tap on full. Yeah, he's nowhere to be seen now. He was doing a bit of work out there earlier. He's got a rather large farm and he does a lot of his own repairs and stuff. Lime trees getting a good soaking. Oh my god, it's really coming down now. This is the first time we've had rain here probably since we've been here. There's no flooded out there. Look at that. I kid you not, it's been raining literally probably 6 or 7 minutes. And already we're underwater in this area here. I won't come in the house because we didn't raise it up quite a lot. Okay, well, I just thought I'd share that with you. That isn't all sunshine and brightness. I'm definitely going to go and use my weight bench. Oh, there's Jolly. Hello, darling. Okay, definitely got to carry on with this now. Cheers, guys. See you later.